Hey, Floyd here. So what's the most searched for phrase on the internet? How to make money online. Well, think about that. I'm standing out here by this tool shed for a purpose. Money is a tool. You don't really want money. You want what money will get you, right? So what you need to do if you're going to go online in the attempt to make money is figure out what everybody else wants. What do they want? What are they going to spend their hard-earned money and give it to you? What are you providing? What value? It's like, let's take an easy one. You've got money, you're hungry, that's a problem. You go out, you buy something to eat, you eat it, you're good. 3 hours later, you're in the same situation. Maybe you should have bought a fishing pole because you've now bought with one tool, another tool to solve a problem, and that's food. I know that's pretty weak, but that's really the whole idea. You're going to look at money as a tool, and then you're going to start getting some results. The only way you're going to get money out of a bunch of people is going to provide something that's going to solve a problem, correct? Now this leads into one of my flagship products that I do sell is like a water machine. It's sit on the counter. It takes your water in your house, changes it into ionized water using electrolysis, breaks up all the molecules, so it's better for hydration and so forth. But that's not my point here. My point here is it does so much more than just that. You're going to be thirsty, all right? So you're liable to buy something that's probably not as good for you as, it's just not. You're thirsty, you need to have a good quality water to drink, and you take your hard-earned money purchasing this machine. It's sitting on your countertop. Now that has solved the problem, more of a problem than you might realize, because it does so much more for you. The hydration in your body will determine how healthy you are. Sorry, that's just it. You got a Ferrari inside you if you give it the right fuel. Water. Simple as that. You can sell these machines, and they'll also give you a appreciation check. But then that's true with almost any major company, like even a bank. You bring enough customers into a bank, they'll give you some money, right? Well, you're trying to solve a problem, so go for something that's not only going to provide an answer to one problem, but as many problems as possible. You're hungry, you're thirsty, you're unhealthy. This water can take care of a lot of that, right? It's a simple machine. It just changes the structure of the water and makes it better for your body to use. So just when you're out there searching for something to do to make money online, consider it a tool in your belt. It's not going to do anything for you sitting in your hand or your wallet. You're going to need that tool to work for you. You've heard that before with investments and so forth. That's speculation when you're doing investment. If you know that you need a shovel to dig in the garden, buy a shovel. Makes your job go better, faster. So that money was well spent. Unless you've got a dozen shovels already, like you can see behind me. We got plenty of shovels, and not enough workers on them. But I hope that helps out. Don't chase money. If you chase money, you'll never catch it. Guaranteed. You will not catch it. Stop thinking about money as something that you want for a goal. You want what money will get you. Hope that helps out a little bit. If you like, share, join my channel. Thanks.